Good day. In the Philippines, local government is divided into three levels: provinces and independent cities, component cities and municipalities, and barangays, all of which are collectively known as local governments units or LGUs. Among the three levels are the cities and the municipalities that are governed by mayors and legislature, which are called the Sangguniang Panglungsod in cities and Sangguniang Bayan in municipalities. In municipalities, the municipality of Uwas is part here in Bicol region, located at Uwas Albay. The municipality of Uwas is the municipal government of Uwas Albay, which is politically subdivided into 53 barangays. It comprises 23 departments, one of which is the Office of the Municipal Treasurer, which manage and monitor all transactions for taxpayers and collects all taxes. The Office of the Municipal Treasurer of the Municipality of Buwas have provided services for taxpayer and residents of Buwas, such as issuing Community Tax Certificate CTC or CEDULA to pay the residence tax, and also the Accountable Form 51 or AF 51, which served as a receipt for all transactions that they needed to pay from the office of the municipal after transacting with other departments. Community Tax Certificate CTC or CEDULA is a basic document acquired by any individual or citizen at least 18 years of age and above, or juridical being for identifying himself and his residence, which can be used for legal transaction. And also the Accountable Form 51 or AF 51 is a receipt in which the taxpayer pays the miscellaneous fees such as the police clearance, documentary stamp, birth certificates, death certificate, and other fees of transaction that was based on the requirements. This transaction was processed by the collector in the office of the municipal treasurer and was encoded in the typewriter, which manual process for issuing the CTC and A51. And that was a time-consuming task. Other taxpayer or resident of OWAS filled up their information through the paper provided by the office of the municipal treasurer for issuing the cedula and giving it to the collector to process. Another problem with the municipal treasurer is the reports were manually encoded to Excel. These reports is to encode the information who completely transacted in issuing the CTC and AF51. The solution to this problem is the Municipal Services Management System. The general objectives for this are to design a web-based system that could manage every transaction needed by user or the residents of UWAS and give a good service to the office of the municipal treasurer in the municipality of UWAS. Municipal Services Management System has the capability to send a request for issuing Community Tax Certificate or CEDULA and accountable form to the admin side of the system. And the admin will receive a new request from the user and automatically be attached directly to the printer to issue the CTC and AF51. As the result, the municipality of Buwas has now easy and convenient transaction, and it will reduce the manual process of issuing the CTC and AF51 for the residents of Buwas Albay. To deal with it, the user of the residence of UWAS must have to fill up first the information provided in the system, from the form of CTC for individual, CTC for corporation, and accountable form 51 by selecting miscellaneous fees transactions. The admin has also an account to manage and monitor the system, and for those users that are also managed by the admin who transacted for their issuing the CTC and AF51. So, how it works? And now, we are here to propose our system entitled Municipal Services Management System. So this is the homepage of our system that could view the gallery, announcement, and profile that have drop-downs for the municipality of Bawas, municipal officials, and barangays. These system features are accessible to user regardless of whether they have signed in or not. and also for the administrator. And also it has the latest announcement that have been posted on the announcement page, and it can view on the home page. So now we have to sign in the system, and this sign in is for the user and administrator who have already an account in the system. So after we sign in the system, so we have in this transaction navigation in this homepage. So transaction is where the user can request to the admin for issuing a transaction document, such as requesting a new cedula for individual and corporation, as well as the accountable form 51 that have drop downs of miscellaneous fees transaction. So for the cedula individual and cedula corporation accountable 51, the user must to fill out the form provided in the system to request a document. Then the total amount is automatically computed in the system. So now the request data was saved in the request history, that the status would be new request, and the user was waiting for the confirmation and processing of the admin once the user went to the municipality BUAS. So once the admin has confirmed and processed the user requested documents, the request status will be changed to be done. So this is the admin account. So click the admin portal for the management of this system. So this is the dashboard page. So in the dashboard is this picture display the 3 transactions, including the cedula for individuals and corporation, as well as the accountable form 51. So once the admin has completed each transaction, the analytics overview automatically generate the number of transactions. For the new request management, so in the request, this picture see an upcoming or new request from the user to request a new issuing document from the municipality of BUAS. So this picture allows it to view the user information and edit the information filled out on the form. The admin will check the information to know this information was provided by the user and allowed to be processed. So in this part, to view the user information, the admin will click the print button to print the documents, and then the user will claim it from the collector or admin after the transaction and also the payment. So in this announcement management, so this announcement is to inform or to manage the updates and latest news from the municipality of BUAS. So this picture allowed the admin to upload the latest announcement update to show the user on the announcement page. This was managed by the admin who created new content for the announcement, and the user will read and see the upcoming announcement and updates for the municipality of BUAS. So from the category features, so this was the category to create new category that was posted and can uploaded from the announcement. So in this analytics report, this feature can also be printed as a report on this analytics. User, requests, and revenue in the analytics have seen the number of the user who access in the system, the request from the user, and also the revenue that has been counted for the entire month, so that the analytics see the level of the user request and revenue. So this is the monthly reports or reports. So this feature was once the admin completes the requested transaction, the data will be automatically saved from the monthly reports, and the total amount will be computed automatically. This feature can be downloaded and exported through Excel. So now in this miscellaneous fees management, it can add fees and select them from the accountable form 51 using this feature. Each fee has an amount and to know the price of all the miscellaneous fees. This was managed by the administrator, and it allowed for the addition or more fees that are available to the municipality of BUAS, as well as the requirement that the user must pay them after a transaction. Then using the new button is to add more fees from the municipality of BUAS. In this admin management, this feature is managed by the super admin, and those who are willing to be admins have access to the system by promoted of super admin. The admin had the ability to remove the user as an admin from the system and replace them with the original admin or another new admin. This admin management was designed for the municipality of BUAS, which can manage daily transaction as well as this system. In this user management, this feature shows the user who accesses the system. The admin managed this feature to see who was transacting in the system. This feature is capable of suspending the user account which will not be accessible in the system. And the last is the admin profile account. So in this admin profile account, it can also update, change the password, and drop the photos as their system profile pic. And it could be updated if the admin was registered in the system.